Hey guys, it's Bobby here. Welcome to How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020 series, right? Where you can get more views, more subscribers, and make more money on YouTube. In this video, I'm going over tip number 4, which is model successful videos, right? One of my mentors had told me, I forgot who, it was a famous guy too, that said, do not reinvent the wheel. So if you guys know what that means, just please comment down below. If you guys know who actually came up with that word or phrase, thank you. So to recap tip number 3, which was call to action, you can't expect your audience or viewers or subscribers to actually know what you want them to do, right? They can't read your mind, okay? So you got to tell them, hey, if you like this, click the thumbs up button, the like button. If you want to subscribe, please click the subscription button and a notification bell, right? The subscribe button and notification bell, whatever it is. And if you want them to leave a comment, tell them to leave a comment down below, or even ask them an engaging question, right? So tip number 4, model successful videos. What does that mean? How do you do that? Well, first off, you would need to know what market you're in, what target audience you're in, or niche is what they call it, right? If you need some guidance there, comment down below. I'll be able to help you. I actually did a training on that before. And so you find the top, we'll say top 5, right? YouTube channels that have significant amount of subscribers, like say 50,000 subscribers, right? And you click on that channel, subscribe to those channels, go into their channel, click on the videos, right? Their videos, and then you can sort it by popular videos, right? So you want to get maybe their top 10 videos for those 5 channels. So 10, 10, 10, 50. That's 50 videos that you can make there, right? So now you know these are successful videos, right? Those are the most popular videos with thousands or even millions of views. So now you just have to go ahead and model those videos and do your research on how to make similar videos in that topic, right? In that little keyword section, right? So now you would have at least about 50 video ideas, okay? You research the similar content ideas of those videos. Disclaimer, I do not recommend blatantly just copying them, right? Word for word, same images, same sounds. No, you have to put your own unique spin on it. Put your Bobby in it, right? For me, show your quirks, show how you're unique. You got to put your whole energy into that video, all right? All right, guys, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe with the notification bell, and then you will be alerted when my next video, the next episode of this series comes out, which is tomorrow, right? And that will be on doing your research before filming. All right, guys. And if you haven't checked out my playlist of this whole series, check out the playlist button above or the suggested videos on my other episodes in my video series. All right, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.